Hello, thank you for choosing our tutorial video for learning how to create a collapsible FAQ section in SharePoint Online. I'm Alex from Doc365. FAQ sections are the easiest way to let users find answers for common issues and questions. By setting up a FAQ, you can avoid answering simple questions and common issues repeatedly. It can save you a lot of time so that you can concentrate on other productive tasks. I used to create FAQ sections in almost all my websites and SharePoint sites so that it becomes easier to solve some of the most commonly faced issues and troubles from my teammates. Collapsible FAQs are very popular as they are very easy to use and they look neat too. Have you ever tried to create collapsible FAQs for your SharePoint site or maybe other normal standard websites? Let me show how you can create one for your SharePoint site here. Let's see how to do this with the help of collapsible sections. So you might be familiar with collapsible sections or maybe not, but let me show you how to create a collapsible FAQ with the help of collapsible sections in SharePoint Online. So this is my SharePoint home page, or it is also called SharePoint start page. I'm going to create one FAQ page in my one of my communication sites called Doc Marketing News. So we are using this page or we are using this site for actually sharing all news and updates regarding our marketing team. So we already have a FAQ page here, so I will just create a duplicate one for you so that you can understand how this is created. Let me first show you the FAQ page here already, and let me explain how it looks and works. So this is our FAQ page right now. So there are questions here, and when you click on each question, the answer will be shown by expanding the section. By clicking on the question, you can collapse the question and answer section too. So that's very neat, and you can add as much as questions you need and answers too. So this is how it looks. So let me now show you how to create one for your own SharePoint site. First, let's create a new page. For that, click on the settings icon at the top and choose add a page. So you will be taken to a window where you can choose the template for the page. Let's choose blank for now. You can also choose other options if you prefer, but I'm going to choose blank here. Click on create page so that the new page will be created, or you will be taken to more options that let you create the page. So let's give the name marketing FAQ here, as this is regarding the marketing. And you can also give a image, cover image for this page. Let me just give some random image for now. So I'm going to choose this image. Click insert. You can set the focal point if you prefer, but it looks good, so I'm going to stick with it. You can either publish the page now, or you can wait till we add more sections. So there is already a section here. You can click on the section here. There is a section as well as a text web part by default in this page. I'm clicking on the section here and choose edit section. So basically we need to choose a one column section first, and then we can select the section background. Let me choose this background shading for now, just to make it look different. You can also check the section, make this section collapsible. by default it will be turned off, so I am just making it turned on here. So when you turn this option on, you get more options, a little more options to play with or configure. So you can add a divider line if you choose. I'm not going to choose that. You can expand or collapse icon alignment. You can align the collapsible icon to left or right. It is left now. If you need to place it in the right, you can choose right so that it come here. I'm going with the left option as it's the default. And you can choose one more option, that is default display. So if you choose expanded, it will always stay expanded, and if you choose collapsed, it will always stay like this. So this is the option we need to choose to achieve a more neat look. If you have other preferences, you can turn it on or off. It's your choice. So let's now give a name for the section. This name is actually the question, and the text web part inside here, this is the answer. So I have already created some question and answers for this section. So the first question I'm going to add is, what is the purpose of this site? What is the purpose of this site? And the answer is, so I have already added the question and answer. So I've updated the section. So let's just publish this for the first time. I'm clicking on publish from the bottom, so it should be published in a minute or not. So you'll get all default options when you create a new page here. You can either use this to share, etc. For now we are not going to do that. And this is how the question look by default. When you click on it, the answer will be shown below, and when you re-click on it, it will get collapsed. So let's add a few more question and answers in this section. So I'm taking the page back to edit mode, clicking on edit, and here you need to add a new section each time to add a new question and answer. So I'm clicking on the plus icon here, choose the section layout, so that a new single layout section is added here. Click on the plus icon and choose a text web part here. So and click on the edit section option, and you can choose the same options like here. I would like to choose the default background shading here. I'm also going to choose the other options like expanded default. Let me make it collapsed, and then it's time to add the question and answer. So I have added another question and answer here, and let me republish the page again. Yeah, so this is how it looks now. Here's the first question, here is the second question. Let me add two more questions here to just make it look like a decent FAQ with a good number of questions. Clicking on add new, choose one column, clicking on add web part option, choosing web part, clicking on edit section, choosing the strong background shading option here to just make it look interesting, choosing the section, choosing all the other options, and let me just add other questions first. So I have completed the process by adding two more questions here. So I have followed the same procedure. Here is two new questions. So I have made it a little more interesting by giving two different background shading alternatively. So I think it looks really nice. And let me just add this to the mega menu. So this is the first or the default FAQ section that was already there in the mega menu. So let me show you how you can add this new FAQ to the mega menu here. We have already done a tutorial video regarding how to create a mega menu. You can click at the top to go to that video, and let me quickly add this option to the mega menu here. Yeah, here is it. Click on this. Let's choose link. Let me paste the link here and give it a label display name, that is marketing FAQ. Click on OK and click save. So you have saved the option here. Let me show you that. Yeah, here it is. So when you next time when you come to the this site, you can quickly click on pages and choose marketing FAQ to directly go to the page. So this is how you can create a collapsible FAQ section in SharePoint Online. I hope you understood the steps clearly. If you have any questions or queries, please let me know in the comment section below. We'll surely come up with more interesting tutorial videos soon. Stay tuned and have a good day.